What's up, guys? It's time to leave this amazing apartment, but I've decided to extend my stay in Medellín, so we're gonna move to another neighborhood which is called Laureles, and I will show you guys how it looks when we arrive over there. Let me just give you guys one last view of the balcony. All right. Got my backpack over here and my suitcase. See you guys at the next part. All right, guys, before I head over for some lunch, let me just show you my room. We have a fridge, a very long desk, TV, got a nice plant over there, chair, table, mirror, views. This is the bed, a closet, and the bathroom. So it's obviously not as big as the apartment before, but you know, it's got everything I need. This is more than fine for me. And this costs around, I paid 130 euros for 3 nights, 4 days, 3 nights. It's okay. So let's head over for some lunch.